I'm going to be reviewing this jump starter today. It includes easy to follow instructions. It has high quality jumper cables and a nice heavy duty carrying case. It has powerful battery performance equipped with a 3.7 volt 10 amp hour or 37 watt hour lithium battery. It provides 1000 amps of current, capable of meeting most car starting needs. It has two USB-A output ports and supports 18 watt quick charging. It also has a convenient flashlight feature. It's very easy to use. You just plug the jumper cables into the battery pack and wait for the light to turn blue. Once you attach the cables, the light on the adapter will turn green. Once the light turns green, try starting the vehicle within 30 seconds. The device itself charges using Type-C. It has quick charging, 18 watts, which reduces the charging time of the unit itself. Can quietly charge mobile phones and other devices. I highly recommend this device.